everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a YouTube video here on the internet, and today I am going to be filming and following a 1960s makeup tutorial, and this is from the YouTube channel Glamourdaze. And I actually saw a video kind of like this on Jbunzie's / Jessica Vill's channel, and it really inspired me. This was a while ago when she posted this video, but I decided, since I like the style of the 1960s and 1970s more, I'd follow one from those decades instead of the 1950s. So I went and I found this specific one, and so I'm going to follow it today. If I look down here, that's because my laptop is here, and if I look over here, that's because my mirror is here. So that's just going to clear that up.
Go easy, or the results can become ludicrous. Take advantage of what's there.
So I am going to first start off by putting on a cream or something on my face, because her face looks very glowy and dewy, although it doesn't say not to. Well, it hasn't said to yet. So I'm going to use the No Problem Prime Essence Calendula off. Okay, it's like a weird name, but this one. And I'm going to put some of this on my face, and this usually gives me a more glowy feel. So I'm going to put some of this on my face, and then we'll keep going on with the tutorial.
Foundation is used as a base for the rest of your makeup. Work the foundation from the center of the face toward the hairline using gentle upward strokes.
Okay, so in the video, the model is using foundation and then applying it from the center of her face all the way to the outside, just with her fingers. So I'm going to do that. My Fenty foundation is actually broken. I do not know how, but it is. So I'm going to open it the weird way.
The foundation from the center of the face toward the hairline using gentle upward strokes. Make sure it's blended evenly.
I might have caught too much.
You in your color choice.
But we'll see how this works. I know they don't use this, but I feel like my face looks so cakey and does not look like hers, because hers is obviously lighter. But I don't have anything like that, so we're gonna just make it a little bit softer, but I think it looks better now.
Blot off excess with the tissue.
I have some tissues, and I'm going to start blotting like she does in the video. And so I'm just going to go and grab the tissue and just blot a little bit. Now that I have blotted my skin with a tissue, which actually took a lot of excess, so I'm learning a lot about this stuff. But now we're going to get on to our next thing, which I have a feeling is concealer.
Makeups are available. Dark circles under the eyes are often caused by not enough sleep and lack of iron.
Phone's ringing.
To cover them up, use a foundation 2 or 3 tones lighter than your base, or a highlighting cream. Blush is applied.
Okay, so this is going really fast. So the concealer I'm going to be using is the Age Rewind by Maybelline, and I'm in the shade Ivory. And so I'm going to just be applying this under my eyes, just the normal way I would do it, but instead blending it out with my finger. It's working pretty well, actually. I don't really ever blend with my finger, but I think it looks so much nicer like this, actually. Maybe it's just the lighting too. I mean, I have a whole ring light in front of me, which I usually don't have in person. Now that I am done with my under eyes, I'm going to start with my blush. I don't know what blush we're going to be using yet, because I just kind of saw this, but like I kind of just saw her grab the blush. But I do have a couple options, so we'll see.
White glow. A good rule to follow is never let blush come nearer from the center of the eye. Blush should be applied from the center of the cheek outward and up into the temples.
Okay, so I'm going to just use my Tarte blush. This is the Amazonian Clay blush in Quirky, and I'm going to use this one because I like this one a lot, and she didn't really talk about any colors. So what she explains is that it should be from the center of the eye to the temples, and it shouldn't ever go past that. Maybe I put a little bit too much, but I really like blush. So
Blushes can also be used for contouring. Example, a tone 3 shades darker than the foundation can be used to point up a cheekbone or diminish a wide jaw.
okay, so she uses a darker blush, and I happen to have this one that's maybe a little bit darker, I guess. I don't know. We'll try it out. She says that she uses it kind of as a contour, so we're just gonna use it as a little contour, I guess. She is going on to powder, so we're gonna start off with that one.
Makeup. The simplest
Using
powder
my
to
Mercier.
use is a cut of cotton that can be thrown away. Is the best powder puff to use.
Okay, so it says to put it on liberally, and she's just kind of swiping it on, so we'll see how that works. She says to throw this one away, so completely missed, but
For the powder to set. Then, with another clean powder puff, brush away excess with downward strokes.
oh, downward. Oh, she put this under her eyes too. I didn't do that.
Eyebrows frame the eye and focus interest on them. They are also important in the shaping of the nose. Pointed eyebrows can make a nose seem longer. To remove straggly brows, lubricate them with Vaseline or baby oil.
Okay, so I don't have Vaseline or baby oil, so I'm just gonna use the same thing I used on my face because it's an oil.
And pluck with tweezers.
Okay, so I'm actually not gonna pluck my eyebrows because I'm terrified of plucking my eyebrows and messing them up. So I'm gonna kind of skip this step and see what else she does with her eyebrows. So now she fills in her brows. She basically just kind of starts filling them in just the tiniest bit.
Blend pencil strokes into your brow with a clean mascara brush.
Or a brush like that.
Mascara applied to lashes would complete the well-groomed eye and is sufficient eye makeup for the early teens. However, if you wish to give more attention to the eye, you may use the following procedure. A lid highlight with a creamy pale shade is flattering to most eyes.
Okay, so what it looks like she puts on right now is like a liquid eye thing. I don't have anything like that other than this product that I got in Ipsy recently, actually. So it's a Nature's Cartel. It's kind of like a highlight thing for your eyes. Definitely not a color like that. It's more pinky, but we can try it. It's not as bad as I thought it would be.
Never wear bright, obvious evening colors. For
That's a really cute
contour
dog.
and emphasis, a taupe or brown shade is placed into the lid crease and just above the lid. For protruding.
Okay, so then she gets a like taupe-ish color to kind of contour her crease a little bit, and so I'm going to use my Morphe 35O palette, and there is a perfect taupe in here that matches hers, and it's the shade right here. I know my palette's a mess, but this one right here. So she just kind of puts this on her crease and a little bit higher.
Gleam of pearly white or beige on the bone just beneath the brow emphasizes the bone structure. Eyeliner is used.
Okay, so the model in the video, uses a pearly white eyeshadow, and so she puts it right here. So I'm going to use the shade Tropical in the Tarte, I don't know what palette this is, Be You Naturally. I think it's that one. I actually got this in a BoxyCharm, so I'm super excited because I haven't used it yet. And so I'm going to just place this on top of my brow bone.
Apply as close to the
So she's gonna do eyeliner.
And remember, black can only be worn by girls with very black hair. A flattering shade for blondes or brunettes, as black adds harshness to the eye.
Okay, so they have a really specific thing there, I guess, that brunettes can't wear black eyeliner, but I'm gonna do it because I don't think I have any other color. So I'm going to use this Jaunt Blue. Oh my god, I just want to have like some powder. Jaunt Blue Art Makeup Eyeliner. I just got this one also in Ipsy. So I'm going to just make a thin line. In the video she's using kind of something like a liquid eyeliner in a brush, but I don't. Again, I prefer not to use that method. I like my liquid eyeliners. So I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit up close and personal with my mirror and do this. Okay, so now that I have like some simple eyeliner going on, it's not the most pigmented because whatever again I put on my eyes is not doing the best job mixing with this eyeliner, so we'll just pretend it looks super nice. Oh my god.
Mascara makes lashes look longer and fuller. Incidentally, no amount of eye makeup will help if your eyes are drowsy and lackluster. To be wide-eyed and alert, a full measure of sleep is necessary.
I do not get that.
The right food definitely relates to the clearness and sparkle of your eyes.
Oh.
Vitamin A and plenty of water are essential for this. After the mascara, separate the lashes with a clean brush. The generally accepted aid.
Okay, so what she does is she puts on mascara and then she brushes it out with a little comb. So I'm going to use the Great Lash. This isn't my go-to, but I think it kind of resembles the mascara that she's using. It's more, it doesn't, you know, give the most volume and stuff. It's more natural, so I'm going to just go ahead and put on just one coat of this. Hey guys, so my camera is currently dying and it didn't even record me brushing my eyelashes, but basically I used a little comb, brushed my eyelashes, and now I'm going to start on the lipstick. I'm going to do this really quick so that my camera does not die. I'm going to use a Wet n Wild Just Garnet lip color and apply it using a brush. This is the closest color I could find. I really don't use this lipstick anymore, so I don't know why I still have it, but I'm glad I do because I'm going to use it to basically fill it in my lips, doing it the way she's telling me to. So I'll be right back. Okay, so basically I put on the lipstick and blotted it down. So yeah, this is the finished 1960s makeup look. I'm so sorry I had to cut this short. It's just my camera's dying and it stopped and it got me really frustrated, but it's okay. I'm still gonna put out this video for you guys. I had a lot of fun doing this. I have an obsession with vintage stuff and vintage style, and I really wish I could be one of those beauty gurus that was all about vintage and had the most amazing vintage shops around, like Devyn Crimson and Jbunzie and a lot of other ones that I can't think of right now off the top of my head. But I really hope you guys have a beautiful day, and yeah, keep watching, watch more videos. I love you guys, and bye!